Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Hulu to your Roku Streaming Stick so you can enjoy all your favorite TV shows, movies, and live content in just a few simple steps. Follow these instructions carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Roku Streaming Stick and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is key for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Streaming Channels in the left-hand menu. This is where you can find and add new apps. Step 3. Select Search Channels and type Hulu using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the official Hulu app from the search results to ensure you are installing the correct app. Step 5. Click on Add Channel to install Hulu on your Roku Streaming Stick. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once the app is installed, return to your Roku home screen. You will see the Hulu icon in your list of channels. Step 7. Open the Hulu app by selecting it. You'll need to log in with your Hulu account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, browse Hulu's content library, select your favorite movies, shows, or live TV channels, and start streaming immediately. You can also use the search function inside the app to find content faster. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the Hulu channel on your home screen, press the Options button on your Roku remote, and select Move Channel to place it at the top for one-click access. And that's it! Hulu is now installed on your Roku Streaming Stick and ready for you to enjoy hours of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.